Let's see, the gold has yesterday reached the target I have mentioned after the price has made a bullish breakout. The price has reached 4435.10, a resistance level, and the price is bouncing from this area of resistance. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see how the price has behaved yesterday since the analysis has been made. We can see the price has formed a small bullish breakout and then several indecision candles, after which the price has turned back down but could not close below this area of support and continue to rise in value, reaching this area of a small resistance right here, visible around 4408, and then price made very close to this area of resistance, and then price is about to back down, up and down, and finally we can see price has reached this area of resistance 4435.10, like in the last two times, and the price has returned back down now again to this area of support 4392.04. So what we can expect today, what will happen around the price? Well, the price will retrace for sure, and that means around this area of support where the price currently is, because you see each time when the price has reached this area of resistance, the price has returned back down to this area of support. This time it is the same scenario because we can see the price is bounce and retrace from this area of resistance, and it is continuing to the first support level, which is right here. Will the price manage to reach lower levels? Currently the price and also the market doesn't show me clearly will do that, or will the price bounce back up. So for now it is the best to stay out and wait for a clear signal like yesterday when the price has made a bullish breakout. Now on the daily time frame we can see how the price has behaved yesterday. The day has closed right here, not at the area of resistance. But what is good as the information is that the close price is about the close price and open price of these two candles, which means the strength of the bulls is much stronger than before, which means higher chances that the price will try to reach higher price levels and continue this bullish momentum which has lasting several days. Then for now, what I can see, it is the support level where I need a clear information what the price will do. Will it make bearish breakout going further down below this area of support, or it will bounce and try to reach again higher price levels, so reaching this area of resistance and trying to make a bullish breakout, which will indicate further rise in value and reaching higher price levels. Where the next we can see a level is where the price could stop is somewhere around here, around this area of resistance, which is around 4500 as a round number. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, let's see what we have as the next level above that. It is around 4506.57. We can see that clearly how the prices formed right here, this area of resistance, just what we can see on the daily time frame, how this looks. What I have currently shown, where the open and close price of these several candles are located. So it is around this area. We can see, let me zoom out a little bit, 4500, where the open and close price of these candles are located, and we can see this is around this area here, around 4500. Precisely on the 4-hour time frame, it is around 4504. Which is right here in between this daily support and the resistance levels. So for now, still waiting where the price could go. Will it bounce, or it will make a bearish breakout going further down? Something that we need to watch closely and stay out of the market. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.